Click the Map Navigate Full Extent button to see the whole world again. Open the World Map Properties and click the Coordinate Systems entry. In the folder tree on the right, collapse the Layers folder. Expand the Projected Coordinate System folder and examine its contents. Expand the World folder. Click on the Mercator World projection. In the upper right corner, click the Details link to learn more about this Mercator coordinate system. Examine the parameters. Close the Coordinate System Details window. Click OK to accept Mercator World as the coordinate system for the map.